Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to start the very important topic in class 8th chemistry, and the name of that chapter is atomic structure. Previously already you were studied in class 7th about the atomic structure, but in class 8 we will study it in detail. So as we all know, everything is made up of matter, and matter, it is made up of atom as we have already studied. So number of philosophers were there who has proposed the theory related to the atom, who has given some views related to the atom. So what is the structure of atom we are going to study in this chapter. So around 600 BCE, one philosopher was there, and the name of that philosopher is Maharishi Kanad. He told that all the matter is made up of very small particle, and that particle he called the Parmanu. In modern term we are knowing it as a atom. He also told that number of Parmanu are going to combine and form Anu, which we are knowing as the molecules. Okay, now he also told that number of molecules, that means number of anu are combined and they are formed the, just like we are knowing about the diatomic molecules, triatomic molecules. So he told that diatomic as a Dravyanku, triatomic as a Trianku. And then after his theory, one more philosopher were there, and the name of that philosopher is Democritus. He told that all the small particle as atoms, and this atom was derived from the Greek word atomos, whose meaning is indivisible. That means Democritus told that all matter is made up of indivisible, indestructible particle, which those who are always in motion. Then after these things, one scientist was there, and the name of that scientist was John Dalton. He also gave the atomic theory, which is known as Dalton atomic theory. Okay, and this theory was given in 1808. Some points related to John Dalton atomic theory is that atom, that means matter, is made up of very minute and electrically neutral particle called atoms. He also told that atoms cannot be created and nor destroyed. That means atoms are indivisible and can neither created nor destroyed. He also told that atoms of one element are different from atoms of other element. That means suppose atom is A is there, so atoms of that element is different, and atom B is there, so element of that atom is also different. Some other points are related to this, that is atoms of one element combine with atom of another element in fixed ratio to form molecule of a compound. That means the ratio must be fixed to form the molecule of a compound. Then the another point is there, they take part in chemical reaction. Another points are also there, that the all atoms of an element are identical. All atoms of an element are identical in mass and property. That means उनकी property and mass are identical, whatever the elements are there. Another point is there, the number and type of atom in a given compound are always fixed. As I told you earlier, they combine in a fixed ratio. Okay, so these are some points related to the Dalton's atomic theory. Just like always in fixed ratio, just like H2O, that means two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen, and they are combined to form the molecules. Now, the another important topic of this chapter is the discharge tube. Now, this I have drawn the diagram of discharge tube. Look at this diagram. Here one glass tube is there. This glass tube is there which is completely closed, and one side of this glass tube, one metal plate is there, and the plate A is cathode with the negative charge, and the plate B is anode with the positive charge. That means this side the positive charge is the anode and negative charge is the cathode. Here vacuum pump is there, and with the help of vacuum pump, completely vacuum is created inside the discharge tube. Now when the vacuum is created, that means air at very low pressure. अब air क्या हो गया? It is at very low pressure. Now this discharge tube is attached to the high voltage generator. When the high voltage generator is attached, so it is provided with the high voltage. इसको क्या किया गया? हाई वोल्टेज प्रोवाइड किया गया. दैट मीन्स द प्रेशर इज लो बट द voltage is high. Now when this condition is there in the discharge tube at very low pressure and very high temperature and the high voltage, because high voltage one generator is attached, when the high voltage is passed across this tube, so what happened, the plates, across these plates, what happened? Here, the back side of this positive greenish light, greenish yellow light glows. That means when high voltage is applied to it, so whatever the cathode is there, some ray is passing through which greenish yellow light is glows at the back side of the anode. And why this greenish light is there? This glow is there. That means glow is caused due to invisible ray emerge from the cathode. That means क्या हुआ, जो कंडीशन हमने प्रोवाइड करी उस कंडीशन के कारण एक इनविजिबल रे निकली इस कैथोड से नेगेटिव साइड से, जो इसके बैक साइड पे ग्रीनिश येलो लाइट को ग्लो करी, एंड दैट रे इज नोन एज द कैथोड रे बिकॉज इट्स इमर्ज फ्रॉम द कैथोड साइड. नाउ there is some property of this cathode ray. What is that property? First, if any object is placed in the path of cathode ray, they cast the shadow. That means it moves in straight line. Cathode ray moves in straight line, that's why it causes the form the shadow. One more important thing, if any object, any light wheel pedal is kept in the way of the in the path of the cathode ray, the wheel start moving. अगर किसी light pedal को हम रख देते हैं, it starts moving. Why it starts moving? Because the ray which emerge from the cathode, it consists of beam of fast moving particle. That means the ray consists of a stream of fast moving particles. That's why the lighter pedal starts moving. So this is all about the today's topic, in which you will studied about the Dalton's atomic theory as well as what is the discharge tube. In next video we will study about the next and another important thing. Till then, bye bye, thank you.